Have you ever wondered why some people speak English so easily, while others struggle for years? The secret is not talent. It is habits. Good morning, everyone. And welcome back. Your daily guide to speaking English naturally and confidently. Today, I want you to imagine something simple but powerful. You wake up early, the sun is rising. The world is quiet, you smile. Take a deep breath, and instead of scrolling your phone, you whisper your first words in English. You say, "Good morning. I feel fresh. It is a beautiful day." At that very moment, you are not just speaking English, you are becoming fluent. Because fluency is not built in classrooms or long study sessions. It is built in the quiet, daily moments of your life when you think, speak, and live in English. In this video, you will learn how fluent English speakers start their day in English, how to build simple conversation habits that feel natural, how to use small moments like brushing your teeth or making coffee to practice, and how to create a calm and confident English mindset every morning. Stay with me till the end, because today, your ordinary morning will turn into the beginning of your fluency journey. How fluent English speakers begin their day. Fluent English speakers do not always begin their day with books, lessons, or grammar exercises. Instead, they begin with English thoughts. Their morning routine becomes a quiet conversation with themselves in English. For example, when they wake up, they might think or say, "I need to open the window. The air feels fresh this morning. I am going to make some coffee." These are not difficult sentences, but they are powerful habits. They help your brain stay connected to English without pressure or fear. If you are just starting, begin small. When you open your eyes, say one simple sentence in English. It could be, "Good morning," or "I feel good today." When you brush your teeth, say, "I am brushing my teeth." When you make your breakfast, say, "I am making tea." Do not worry about mistakes. The goal is not perfection, it is consistency. By turning small, daily actions into English sentences, you teach your mind to think in English automatically. Over time, your mornings will feel different, lighter, calmer, and more confident because you are not just following a routine. You are living in English. How to build daily conversation habits that feel natural. Now that you know how fluent speakers begin their day, let us talk about something even more powerful. Building daily conversation habits that feel natural. Speaking English is not about memorizing lines or repeating big phrases. It is about small, real sentences that you can use every day in real situations. You do not need a partner to practice. Your best partner is you, your thoughts, your voice, your daily life. For example, while you are getting dressed, you can say, "I am choosing my clothes. I like this shirt. I think I will wear blue today." When you cook, you can say, "I am cutting the vegetables. The water is boiling. The food smells delicious." When you use English during daily tasks, you stop studying the language, you start living it. It becomes part of your rhythm, your day, your thinking. The key is not how much you say, but how often you say it. Just 2 or 3 small sentences every morning can change the way your mind connects with English. So, do not wait for the perfect moment to speak. Speak in small moments while walking, cooking, or cleaning, because those moments are where fluency quietly grows. How to use small moments to practice English listening. Sometimes we think we need long study hours to improve our English. But the truth is, small moments can change everything. Think about your daily life, brushing your teeth, making coffee, walking to work, or sitting on the bus. These small moments are perfect chances to listen to English and let your mind stay connected with the language. You can listen to a short English podcast, a YouTube video, or even repeat simple daily phrases in your head. You do not need full focus, just gentle listening, like background music for your day. For example, while brushing your teeth, you can play Good Morning English Practice, or say to yourself, I am ready for a new day. When you make tea or coffee, listen to how people greet each other. How are you this morning? I slept well, thank you. Even if you do not understand every single word, do not stop. Let the sound, the rhythm, and the tone of English flow through your ears. Because when you listen again and again, your mind starts to feel the language, not just translate it. This is how fluency begins, not in big lessons, but in small, quiet moments that slowly shape your English heart. So next time you pick up your phone or headphones, remember, you do not need extra time to learn English. You just need to turn small moments into learning moments. How to create a calm English mindset in the morning. Morning is the most powerful time of the day. It is the moment when your mind is quiet, your thoughts are fresh, and your heart is open to learning something new. If you start your morning with peace and positivity, your whole day will follow that energy. So, before you touch your phone or rush into your routine, take a deep breath and remind yourself, today I will grow. Today I will speak better English. This small sentence sets your intention. It tells your brain, I am learning. I am improving. And when your mind believes that, your progress becomes faster and more natural. You can also begin your morning with a short English affirmation. Stand in front of the mirror and say, I am confident. I can speak English clearly. Every day, I am getting better. Feel those words. Do not just say them, believe them. Because when your heart is calm, your learning becomes effortless. You can also listen to soft English podcasts or positive quotes while making breakfast. Let those words fill your room with good energy. They will train your mind to think in English naturally, peacefully, and beautifully. Remember, your morning sets the tone for your entire day. If you fill it with calmness, confidence, and consistency, English will no longer feel like a subject. It will become a part of who you are. You see, learning English is not about big steps. It is about small, daily actions moments that slowly shape you into a confident speaker. Every morning, you speak a little, listen a little, and think a little in English. You are moving forward. So, do not rush. Do not compare. Your journey is unique. And every word you speak today brings you closer to fluency tomorrow. If you enjoyed this lesson and felt motivated, then make sure to like this video. Share it with a friend. And subscribe to Linguaboost for more daily English practice. Write in the comments below. I am ready to make English a part of my daily life. Because you truly are. Keep learning, keep smiling. And remember, every day is a chance to speak better English. See you in the next lesson. This is Linguaboost, helping you grow one word at a time.